Nevada is now accepting applications for a program that'll help people pay their back rent. We spoke with Nevada Treasurer Zach Conine, who told us more about the program.
So our intention in spinning up this $30 million rental assistance program was to have it be available to as many Nevadans as quickly as possible. To that end, you have to have an active lease, you have to be behind on your rent, and you have to have an average median income of less than 120% of whatever the AMI is for your area. To roughly phrase that out, in Clark County, that means about $60,000 a year for a residence with one person, about $80,000 for a resident with three people.
And how much money, when you say behind on their rent, so let's say it's 3 months for some, 5 months for others, how do you allot how much money one is going to get for the landlord?
So the goal here is to help people with any rent that was back rent that was accrued during the pandemic, specifically during the time of the eviction foreclosure process. So during that moratorium, it was about a 3-month period, and so the goal is to get people caught up for that. If you have more back rent, we can help. If you've got less back rent, we can help. But we really want to try and get individuals who qualify for the program caught up.
And those who qualify, this money will not need to be paid back.
That's correct. This is a grant program. It's funded using completely federal dollars through the CARES Act that our federal delegation fought really hard for. And so those dollars came into the state, and we're using part of our allocation, and Clark County is using part of their allocation in order to support this program.
You know, it's no secret. We've had a number of individuals who still haven't received their unemployment, their PUA claims. Any things from your end as far as saying that we're going to be able to facilitate this efficiently and effectively? Do you foresee any problems, that kind of a thing, getting this out?
You know, with any new system like this, there's always a chance that something goes wrong. But in Clark County, we're working with 14 different community partners to help get the word out, get applications in, and then we can move money around between those partners so that the ones who are able to get money on the street quicker have access to more funds so they can process more applications. I would encourage all of your viewers, please be patient and kind with these community organizations. I understand there's a lot of frustration in the community, but those folks are volunteering their time and their efforts to try and help their neighbors. So just a general ask, if people could be kind, that is appreciated.